Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is the story of making paper planes. On a sunny weekend in the city of Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy had their friends Doug and Hiroki over to play. Dad had brought dozens of sheets of colourful paper and was showing them how to fold paper planes. Jean's plane had big wings and a small nose. Joy's plane had small wings and a big nose. Doug's plane was a wide square shape. Hiroki's plane was a skinny triangle shape. When they were all done, they lined up in the hallway and threw their planes up into the air. Jean's floated to the floor. Joy's looped and flew backwards. Doug's soared sideways and hit the wall. But Hiroki's flew fast and straight, landing gently at the end of the hallway. Everybody cheered. "How did Hiroki's plane fly so far?" asked Joy. Dad picked up Hiroki's winning plane to show them. "See how the wings are the same size and shape, and how the nose is very pointy, like an airplane jet." Hiroki had used science to make an excellent plane. The kids were all eager to try again. That afternoon, they spent some great fun folding different shapes, some that flew well and some that didn't, learning from their mistakes each time. More importantly, they had a lot of fun experimenting with science. The end.